I'm very pleased to show you an update of our amazing chicken project directly from Tanzania.
How GAMP team does work in order to show the participation or the collaboration with a woman who keeps chickens for the organization, for the church, or for the ministry. So normally GAMP staff or GAMP team member, they go and purchase the chickmas for the chickens and to send to the widow in the village. But on the way, normally we hire a motorbike in order to help the transportation and the transport to reach the place. Reaching at the place, we also work together with the widow plus the children from the house. So why do we do this? It is because we need to acquire knowledge in which we will be also teaching the other widow as far as we give them the chickens. Now you see GAMP team member plus the widow and the children within the house, they work together cleaning the place which is so dirty, because sometimes if it is too dirty there might be mange which can cause diseases to the chicks. And from there they have to mix up the prepared chickmas so that they bring now in a cleaned room. But by doing that, they normally taken out to show how they can be either not being while the place is clean. But now they are already back as far as the food was given to the trays and the water. Normally the foods or the feeds to the chickens, they can be mixed by some chemicals to control different diseases, even to water. But that is the right place which is already cleaned. We insist GAM members to learn and to get the knowledge. From there, GAM staff or GAM member, they do speak and share some experience to the widow